Last month, I visited the electronics markets in Shenzhen, mainland China. After crossing the border to China from Hong Kong, I checked out Shenzhen for a little while and then headed directly to the Huaqiangbei market. Since I didn't have much time there and I had to take all my purchases back to Europe, I only bought 3 things: a 5S display, a Macbook Pro 60-watt charger with MagSafe 2 and a regular Lightning USB cable. So I want to share my experience with those 3 purchases, and I'm gonna tell you if I think these 3 purchases are worth their money. My first and probably best purchase was my iPhone 5S 3. It did not include the metal backplate, sensors and home button. The price of €5 seemed incredibly cheap to me. Due to its very cheap price, I expected nothing from that screen. After installing it at home, I was surprised how well this display performs overall. It's bright, colors are okay, viewing angles are okay as well. Touchscreen works exactly as expected, so you get a lot for your money. I would definitely buy it again, and I kinda regret not getting screens for newer iPhones. It would be really interesting how these perform, especially when it comes to things like 3D Touch. The second purchase was a regular Lightning cable for €5. After buying it, it worked great for me. But after some days, it started having some issues. It always disconnected and stopped charging. I think this cable initially was perfectly fine, but it seems to be less durable than the original Apple one. Since these go for €10 in Europe, I think I would prefer getting an approved one from Amazon or something. My last purchase was the MacBook Pro 60-watt charger with MagSafe 2. It was around €11, so really cheap for my understanding, although the seller told me it's a high quality one, so it's a little bit more expensive. I got it without the power brick since I got some of these lying around at home. It works kinda as expected. It charges my laptop. I think it gets a little bit hotter than the original one though, but due to its low price compared to the original one, I would still get it. Finally, I would like to encourage you to share your experiences with your AliExpress or Shenzhen purchases. What did you get and was it worth it? Feel free to let me know in the comments below.